By this time, actually, if the rains are there, full-fledged rains are there, it would have collapsed the rate. But still, now I was told by other people, there is not much of demand for them. It may come down, slowly the price may come down. So as our General Secretary Ram Reddy has said, this is actually a property show for the people who want to buy, for them only, and not only that, to give a good image to the state and to also build a brand image of Hyderabad. This is the intention at this time. And we already sent the invitation to the Honorable Chief Minister. Most probably, we are expecting that it will be inaugurated by him. Not only that, the way we have seen his announcement in the recent past, we are looking for good announcements by Honorable Chief Minister during our show. So with that, I think because not the government, see now he is in abroad, he is studying various policies in Singapore and Malaysia, and most probably with the inputs from those countries, because everybody talks about Singapore, and he is also talking about single window, which also we briefed him much ahead of the government. We briefed him how single window will definitely attract more people, more investment here. We also did our own contribution for his thinking. I hope with his new inputs from abroad, definitely I hope he will make a lot of new announcements on our platform, I hope. So this is what we are expecting. And he has already sent a lot of positive vibrations across the globe, and he has invited several industrial groups, as you are aware. And whatever he has done, we are all grateful to him. And walk-ins have improved. I have inquired. Walk-ins have improved with the various developers. The sales are happening. Good numbers. Last 2-3 weeks, the sales are happening. Before that, there was no. So to some extent, some projects there is always the sales are there. In some locations, there were watch and wait was there. But now, the last 2 weeks, the sales have improved. So this is one side. The other side, for the last maybe 15 years, we have been working during the NDA government. We could able to get a lot of incentives and the reforms. The major reform was the repeal of the urban land ceiling at that time, and also tax incentives. Section 80IB was also one of the major incentives we got. That later on, a lot of in UPA government, some new taxation was imposed, like service tax, which was not there earlier. Then labor cess, and a lot of other restrictions, MOEF restrictions were there, MOEF restrictions. But slowly now with this NDA government, we are really grateful to the Honorable Prime Minister Modi Garu.